The most precious things in life are the things that cannot be replaced. Relationships, memories, your health, and the health of everyone you love. Some people miss out on so much by spending their time trying to accumulate tangible things. At the end of the day, when you look back over your life, it's unlikely you will be thinking about what you owned or counting how much you earned or spent. The things that made your life worthwhile will be the times spent with loved ones, the memories made, and the feeling of joy from living in the moment. Make each day count and remember the value of your time, ensuring that you spend it wisely. Once it has gone, you can never get it back. Sometimes it takes a wake-up call to make us realize what's important. Don't wait for that call. Start appreciating the irreplaceable gift of all that really matters now.